Hi, to use real-time running metrics on Google Pixel Watch 3, firstly we need to open this Fitbit app on our phone. And now in today's tab, simply click on plus and choose to build a run. Here we can tap to add interval and add running interval, for example, then set goal type. Let's set distance. For example, let's set to kilometers. Here we can give it a name. Then we can tap and set targets. For example, current pace. Here we can simply select time and so on. Just set it according to your preferences. Then you can add as a repeat or add to run. Click on three dots, change to repeat, delete interval, or add new one, and then save and store it on watch and save it by this name. After that, it will be starting on your watch. So let's just test it. I'm gonna unlock it. And yep, now we can see it right here, GPS connection as well. We can find warm-ups, distance, which we set, cool down, and amount of minutes. We can find those options as well as name. And we can also tap on plus and add interval manually right from watch. For example, we can add rest time. Let's add 1 minute. And now to start it, just tap this button. And in a second, it will be started with those suggestions, with those cues. And you can see that now it's time for warm-up. So you can just follow those instructions. You can rotate your crown to go through the pages. You can swipe right like that and lock your screen. Go next, pause this workout and end it as well. And scroll left to use media controls. So here you'll see also BPM, kilometers, time of your workout, and just everything about it. To end, just tap here, and after that you will see all of the results right on your watch. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.